近一段时间，立陶宛政府不顾中方反复交涉，晓以利害，宣布允许台湾当局以台湾名义设立所谓代表处。外交部发言人今天发表谈话指出，中国政府对此表示坚决反对，决定召回中国驻立陶宛大使，并要求立政府召回驻中国大使。
I mean, it's a decision that Lithuania will donate, and what do you think about it?
I think that's totally fine.
Giving is a nice gesture itself. So.
I think it's a good thing to help others.
What do you think about that? What do you know about Taiwan? Anything about Taiwan?
Guys, I actually don't know anything.
And can you guess where is Taiwan? Just have a guess.
Taiwan.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm guessing here. Somewhere around here.
Somewhere around here is an island or on the land.
I think it's on a land.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty close.
Yeah.
It's actually this one, this small orange
Island.
Island.
Maybe
It's an
around
island.
here.
Around here. Here? Around here? Okay, has all around here. Okay, it's here. It's an island next to China.
So that's correct.
Real good culture, and plan in the future like to travel there. China, Japan,
Asia.
Yeah, because I really like the culture and the people there.
Taiwan, I think it's. I can show you the area. I can't.
It's fine.
Okay.
Whatever
It's
you
around
think.
this area, right?
If it's an island, where do you think?
It's island. Sala.
Yeah, island.
You are close.
You are close.
Here maybe. I know your language is similar to Japanese, Chinese, something in between that.
Somewhere around here.
And you? It's an island. Just a hint.
Yeah, I know that. But I know this is Vietnam, but Taiwan is somewhere maybe here.
You are the first one correct. How
Which
did you
one?
get it?
Oh shit.
Nice.
Show Noales.
I have a friend who spent her Erasmus years there, and she has a jacket with the flag of Taiwan, but I don't know much about it.
Maybe you?
You?
I may be mixing things up, but
It's okay.
Something about Chinese aggression, maybe not.
Yeah.
Right?
That's correct.
Okay, yeah.
Correct.
That's it.
Okay.
That's all.
Have you heard or do you know that the Lithuanian government just decided to donate 20,000 vaccines to Taiwan?
No, I had no idea.
No, never have heard. That's fine. What do you think about this? I mean, it's a decision that Lithuania will donate, and what do you think about this?
I think that's totally fine. As far as I know, Taiwan is not a very rich country, right? So giving the support, I think it's, if we can spare that, it's always good. Yeah.
Donate to who?
To Taiwan, to our country.
Really?
Yeah, 20,000.
No, I haven't.
And what do you think about this? It's just
I think it's a
recently
nice
decision.
guest. Nice guest. Just giving is a nice gesture itself. So.
I think it's a good thing to help others.
What do you think about that?
That's awesome.
Awesome. What will you suggest to see or to eat, to try, whatever, for those people who want to come to Lithuania?
I suggest traditional Lithuanian cuisine because many people who come here, many people try it out and they say, wow, this is amazing, this is insane. So I suggest traditional Lithuanian cuisine. It's called cepelinai and šaltibarščiai. Yeah. And I suggest definitely seeing the old town of Vilnius. It's amazing. It's honestly, I've traveled a lot of countries. It's still my my favorite spot in the whole world.
I would recommend to travel to villages, not in the Vilnius.
Villages.
Yeah, because it's really beautiful out there.
Go to Lithuanian nature.
Nature.
Yeah. Forests and lakes, rivers. You can go.
Kayak.
Yeah.
Pulpa. They need to visit Pulpa.
Pulpo? You are the owner here?
It's gonna be Japanese seafood. Sashimis, tatakis, nigiris. It's gonna be wonderful. If you're in Vilnius, local, old town, Pulpa.
我们今天访问了大概4-5组的人，结论是，
其实大部分人真的不知道，台湾可能不是太多人知道捐赠疫苗这件事，大部分人的也不知道。
所以今天你们听到的就是最真实立陶宛在地人的想法的看法。
但是虽然他们不知道这件事情，可是其实他们知道之后，他都是很开心的，都是觉得这是很好的事情。
就这样，拜拜。